What's up? It's your boy Titan, and I just want to say I'm sorry I haven't posted on YouTube in a while, but I'll be back. I'll start posting more videos near the end of 2017 because I'm working on a project right now. I'm doing a series in the future. I'll tell you all about that in a later video. I'll give a little short announcement when everything's coming together. I'll keep you guys posted. So you can just check out more info on my project on social media, Instagram and on Musically. I will make announcements on those two, Instagram and Musically. Just keep posted. They will be down in the description. Just check me out. And I will see you guys in the next Great Ninja War. I'm out.